Dear friends, in this video we will be discussing about what parameters should be considered when we buy a lithium-ion battery. Firstly, choosing the suitable cell chemistry as per the application and provided conditions, is the primary thing that we need to look for while selecting a lithium-ion battery for our use. As we all know that there are more than 4,000 chemistries of lithium-ion batteries, each suitable for different applications. We will be discussing some important and mostly used chemistries in our upcoming videos. Now when you select a battery, you need to select the cell type as per the application demand and get your pack designed as per your electric vehicle type. For example, if in lithium-ion, you need NMC, that is nickel manganese cobalt oxide chemistry, then you need to look for the variants in the same chemistry. Some of the most common used variants are NMC 532, NMC 622, NMC 811. You need to choose the appropriate one for your use as per the requirement. Second important parameter is electric vehicle type, which also plays a vital role in deciding the battery pack type. Electric vehicles can be of different types like battery electric vehicles, hybrid electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles or fuel cell electric vehicles, each demanding different parameters of energy to be supplied. The next important thing to look for is the battery management system. There are few operations that your battery management system should carry out. First, the current supply allowed by the battery management system must be larger than the maximum continuous current demanded by the system that is your drivetrain in case of electric vehicles. Second, the battery management system must control the smooth operation of the battery pack in the given electrical, thermal and mechanical environment. Third, the battery management system must monitor the voltage of each individual cell and temperature from critical positions of the module. Fourth, the battery management system must be capable of collecting information like state of charge of each module and allow the supply only if it is in safe region of operation. Fifth, the battery management system must be capable of balancing the modules of the battery pack suitably in order to prolong battery life and allow to utilize the overall bandwidth of the battery pack performance. Another important parameter is the short-circuit protection mechanism used inside the battery pack, generally termed as the fusing mechanism. Depending upon demand of the application or as per standard of manufacturing practices followed by the manufacturer, it may be cell level or module level or pack level. It's strongly recommended that the pack must be having fusible links to protect the accident occurring due to short circuit. Sensitivity, response time of the fusing and current conducting switching components is of great importance. Remember, using two battery management systems in parallel working without being connected through communication in a single battery pack is a bad practice, so we suggest you to avoid this. Now, as we have discussed the selection of different components in a lithium-ion battery pack, there are parameters related to the safety of the battery pack which we need to look for. Each conductor material selected as per requirement must be provided with proper insulation or shielding. The battery pack must have a suitable design to withstand the vibrations and other outdoor conditions, especially in the case of automotive application. Ingress protection rating, that is mostly stated as IP rating of the pack, must be of suitable degree with reference to the application from an internationally accredited laboratory. The most important thing that may face negligence by us is regarding the material used for making an enclosure. It should be of proper mechanical strength and insulation. Mostly we don't find the use of suitable material for the enclosure. Moreover, the weight and dimensions of the battery must be suitable for which charge density of the selected chemistry is of great importance. Besides this, it is very important that all the components of the battery pack used must be certified with global standards. As in India, it must be certified by the Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS. Always remember, before placing the order for your battery pack, to check for the standard certifications with the provider. That will be all for this video. Special thanks to our technical partner Cynatron Synergies Private Limited for their support. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on videos and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.